Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
No, not usually. Most hiccups in babies are harmless, and will mostly go away once your baby is a year old. However, frequent hiccups can be a sign of gastroesophageal reflux disease in babies. Also, in rare cases, hiccups that last an unusually long time can be a sign of a more serious underlying medical condition. 16 October 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Feel hiccups on the lower part of your belly, meaning that their chest is likely lower than their legs. Hear their heartbeat, using an at-home Doppler or fetoscope, on the lower part of your belly, meaning that their chest is likely lower than their legs. 28 May 2020.
Take our lead.
Newborn hiccups are most frequently caused by baby overfeeding, eating too quickly or swallowing a lot of air. Any of these things can lead to stomach distension, Forgini says. When the stomach distends, it actually pushes against the diaphragm, which causes it to spasm, and voila, hiccups. The 22nd of September 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.